Trishtilek, let's learn a few very useful sentences through a simple dialogue. I have the words color-coded in a way that they are in a meaningful unit. So diring, today, kirang, you. I have color-coded them in this way, so when you read them, it will make more sense to the listener when you read them in a meaningful unit. So diring, kirang, kabar, chimbe makes a lot more sense as opposed to diring ki, rang kabar, chimbe. It sounds a lot more disjointed. But if you read it diring, kirang, kabar, chimbe, as you become more familiar with it, you can obviously speak this a little faster. Diring, kirang, kabar, chimbe. Diring, kirang, kabar, chimbe. Diring, kiram, kabar, chimbe. Where did you go today? Ngansu, IKEA la, chimbe yin. We went to IKEA. Ngansu, IKEA la, chimbe yin. Kirang, su, dang, nyamdu chimbe. Kirang, su, dang, nyamdu chimbe. Who did you go with? Nge, amadang, nyamdu chimbe yin. Nge, amadang, nyamdu chimbe yin. I went with my mother. Vocabulary. Diring, today. Kirang, you. Gabar, where. Chin, went. Ngansu, we. In this case, you have a sa at the end of the pronoun we. That tells me this pronoun is going to take responsibility for the action. In this case, is the action of going to IKEA or went to IKEA. So it is saying we went to IKEA. The action is performed by us. IKEA, IKEA. Obviously, this is the transliteration of the store name IKEA in Tibetan. Su, who. Nyamdo, together. Nge, I or by me. Again, similar to Ngansu, you have an extra sa added to the pronoun. So this is a pronoun that's going to take responsibility for the action. In this case, I went to the store with my mother. I did that. I went. Nge. I'm a mother.